Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. And in this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can fix the problem of video call minimization in WhatsApp. Please friends, don't forget to put your likes under the video, subscribe to our channel. So friends, make sure to write your comments after watching. So let's get started with you and me. And if you have a problem in WhatsApp, because of which you can't minimize the video call and you can't do any other tasks in parallel, which can often be very frustrating, of course. I'm going to show you how you can solve this problem. And first of all, you will need to go to Settings on your Android device. Once you've gone into Settings, then scroll down and find the option called App or App Manager, like in my case. Next, please open the whole list of your apps on your device and find WhatsApp in the search box. Next, when you go to WhatsApp settings, you'll need to first go to Notifications and make sure you have all your notifications turned on. If notifications are disabled, you will need to make sure to turn them off. Next, friends, after that, go to Permissions, and make sure that all the permission positions they are connected to your WhatsApp. For this, you'll have to click on each one of them and check if it is connected. If any of the items, let's say, it is not connected, then you will need to enable it. Next, friends, you will have to scroll further down and find the Picture-in-Picture option, which actually helps in reducing the size of the video call. Exit the video call, and then do other things on your phone. And you will need to enable this option if you have it disabled. Then just click on the button to activate it. Here with such actions, friends, you can quickly and easily fix the WhatsApp video call minimization issue on your Android. I hope, friends, that this video has helped you and was useful to you. Please don't forget to put your likes and also subscribe to our channel. Please, friends, take care.